Good evening, Bob and Nicole. I'm in this Temecula neighborhood. It looks really quiet right now, but earlier today it was swarming with about 10 police cars, a helicopter up above, and they were all in search of one man who they say has a violent history. Around 10 o'clock this morning, the Riverside and San Bernardino Fugitive Task Force was on a mission. Arrest Jeffrey Etzminger for violating parole.
It was a no bail warrant from the state of California.
But their wanted man had a plan of his own.
Etzminger's criminal history required us to take extra precautions.
And that's when Temecula residents living on Harwick Lane got a wake-up call that was all too disturbing.
I just heard the helicopter and I came out and it said, please come out, the house is surrounded. And I have 2 boys in the house and I was kind of nervous.
Person after person was brought out of this home, put into handcuffs, and then into a police car. County agents were very tight-lipped about this case, but when I approached the suspect, he seemed to have a moment of repentance.
Well, I'm terribly sorry, obviously. I just want to get this over with and dealt with so I can get on with my life. I'm sick of running. This is screwed up, though. They should not be arresting any of them. I lied to all of them and put them in this position. They had no idea. I screwed up.
But why
they should not be going to jail right now, I'll tell you that. They had no idea.
But the person inside that these agents were most concerned about was this little baby boy.
Came in, broke a window, my kid was sitting right there.
How old is your kid?
He's 5 months.
The child's safety was our utmost importance, and yeah, that was first priority.
A close friend arrived on the scene, and when she saw who was inside the police cars, she got very emotional.
I'm telling you, they're making a scene out of a family that isn't a good family.
And she claimed to know who was behind this entire ordeal.
He's just been nothing but a sponge to this family. And now these kids are going through this humiliation because of that piece of shit.
But her thoughts kept coming back to that little baby boy who was taken away.
That baby is her life. That baby is her whole world. The reason she gets up and goes to work every day, the reason she breathes is that baby. And they took that baby right in front of her. She is devastated, and they had no reason to do that.
And just like a Hollywood movie, the good guys got their man.
He chose to hide inside the residence because he knew that he had a warrant for his arrest. After a prolonged arrest operation, we finally placed him in custody inside the home.
But just like in real life, they weren't saying very much else.
That's currently under investigation, and I can't comment.
Of the 5 people that were placed in cuffs, 3 of them were taken into custody. The suspect himself, his apparent girlfriend, and 1 other woman, and we don't know her relationship to them. All we do know is that there is 1 little baby out there tonight who is out of this home and away from its family. In Temecula with photojournalist Chad Buchanan, Kitty Alvarado, KZSW News. Now back to you in the studio.